Hi, Dr. Dave here with Synergy Wellness in New York. This video is specifically about heart palpitations. I have a close friend who's going through this right now, and he's not getting any answers from the doctors. He's been to cardiologists, he's been to the hospital, the ER in the middle of the night. He wakes up with like panic attacks. If you are suffering from panic attacks, heart palpitations, your heart is just racing, please, after you've gotten the heart workup and ruled that out, if you have any of these other symptoms, please get this addressed, okay? Besides heart palpitations, increased heart rate, okay, panic attacks, anxiety, besides those four things, they kind of go all together, right? If you're having also acid reflux, GERD, like a pit or something stuck in your throat, or when you eat or eat a big meal, it gets stuck in your chest somewhere. Or if you have a difficult time getting a full breath, or silent reflux, or a chronic cough, like you have to clear your chest in the middle of the night or in the morning when you go to sleep and lay down, or a metal taste in your mouth when you wake up, indigestion, bloating, a lot of burping after you eat. Those are all signs of a hiatal hernia, the acid reflux, right? And all those GERD signs, all those symptoms I just told you about are signs of a hiatal hernia, where your stomach is herniated up through your diaphragm. But how does that relate to heart palpitations, panic attacks, just your heart racing, feeling like you're gonna die? I mean, my friend is in such stress right now, and I wanna help him. He lives in another state, so we'll get to him. But this is for you guys out there that are suffering from these symptoms, these heart palpitations, heart racing, panic attacks, and they can't find the cause. So they put you on antidepressants, all these other psychotropic drugs. I'm not gonna get into all of them because they'll throw anything at it, and if it sticks to the wall, they'll go with it. I'm serious. It is not because you don't have enough antidepressants or medications in you. It's because of the vagus nerve. Vagus. Drill that into your head, please, folks. The vagus nerve controls your heart rate. It also produces hydrochloric acid. Acid reflux, hiatal hernia, racing heart rate. Guess what? Not only that, the vagus nerve runs right alongside the stomach and the esophagus, right where your stomach herniates through your diaphragm. So when your stomach is herniated through the diaphragm, which would be, you have your acid reflux, your GERD, so those are all the symptoms from the hiatal hernia. That's now putting pressure on the vagus nerve and creating more acid, and also it increases your heart rate. I can't scream this enough from the top of Mount Everest. If you're dealing with these panic attacks and heart racing and you can't find the answer, go to your stomach. Now, you may not have any of those symptoms I associated with. Make sure you check out a technique that I've done it's called the hiatal hernia maneuver. It's a very simple technique you can do on the stomach. You have to go to a chiropractor for that. Not all chiropractors know how to do it. I do have a device so you can do it at home also, called the REFLUX Shield. But you can also try it on your back with your thumb. I've done videos on that, how to do the technique, how to do the maneuver to your significant other. Watch that video, try that with your hands, and if it works and it's effective after a week or two and you notice your heart rate going down, you're more calm, keep at it. Or you can get the REFLUX Shield, you can do it yourself, and you can get it a little bit more leverage with the REFLUX Shield. With your hand though, that'll get you started at least, okay? And if you have bloating right here, that's a really good sign you do have the hiatal hernia. And that's probably causing your anxiety, your panic attacks, and your heart racing. I hope this helps you. I hope some of you found help from this video. This is an important video because those of you suffering from these panic attacks, it's intense. It's intense, and I want to help you. And this could be something, a cause that you're not looking at and no doctor is going to even tell you about. It really could be. It's something you really need to look into if you're suffering from heart racing, heart palpitations, panic attacks, and increased anxiety. God bless you. I hope that helps. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.